Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. I'm Mr. Rogers, and as you can see, I just got home from work. Super excited to share with you the unboxing of the brand new Razer Blade 15. Released just a couple days ago, mine arrived today. I ordered directly from Razer. What I ended up ordering was the 144 Hz 1080p screen with the GTX 1070 Max Q and 512 gigs of M.2 NVMe storage. This is the top of the line model available right now. There will be a 4K 60 Hz touch display that's available later on down the road, but for me this is going to primarily be a gaming computer, and so I wanted to go more with the high refresh versus the higher resolution. Alright, so this came from FedEx, and I'm going to get you zoomed in a second onto the actual device. Like I said, I ordered directly from Razer. There's my cat. I'm going to first show you the unboxing of the Razer Blade itself. If you want to stick around, I'm also going to unbox a couple of other things that I ordered through Razer. The new Chroma laptop stand, which is also a USB hub, and also the new Razer Core X external GPU device that I'm going to be using. In a follow-up video, you're going to see a full review of this Razer Blade and also the Core X especially. I'm hoping that the Razer Blade will finally be the laptop that I've been looking for. I recently returned the Microsoft Surface Book 2 in order to order this. I felt like this provided a better gaming experience than the Surface Book 2. However, the Surface Book 2 is still one of the best Ultrabook style devices for gaming in my opinion. Alright. I did order the Razer protective sleeve for the Razer Blade 15, and well, it's just a sleeve. Now, I did own a Razer Blade 14 2017 edition and ultimately sold it. I found the display to be too small. I thought it was a bad 1080p display. I'm actually still a little disappointed that Razer is using a matte display on the 1080p instead of a glossy. I prefer glossy. I'm not usually using it outside. I just think it makes colors look better. But we'll see how that looks more in the review. Alright, so if you've ever bought a Razer device before, this box looks pretty similar. Just some markings: Thunderbolt, HDMI, Dolby. I'm going to zoom you in now. Okay. Just open this up. Welcome to the cult of Razer. Okay, this looks like the power brick. Razer's always done a pretty good job of having slimline power bricks. So here is the adapter. It's small, but it's not noticeably small. It's actually a little larger than what the Blade 14 had. This is probably the 230 watt model, yes, because I ordered the GTX 1070. They do use a nice braided cord, and it is a new proprietary adapter for this year. So if you have a previous Razer Blade, its power cables aren't going to work with this. Okay, and this is just the power adapter to the wall. So that's what's in there. So now we have the Razer Blade box itself. Razer's taking a page right out of Apple here. This is a sexy box, little textured, and it's got a magnetic clasp on the front. Okay. A little thank you card from Razer, and the blade itself. And there is just no laptop that looks like this. It's much more squared off this year, okay? But it's sexy, it's light, it's very light. It's got bigger feet for more airflow. The new vapor chamber cooler should keep it a little bit cool, cooler than at least last year. Hopefully keeps the fans quieter, okay? You get a lot of ports on this. The proprietary power, 2 full-size USB 3.1 ports, a combo headphone mic jack, a Thunderbolt 3 port, another full-size USB 3.1, a full-size HDMI 2.0, and a mini display port 1.4 along with a lock slot. So you can drive 3 monitors right out of there plus the one inside of here. Okay. Let's get a look inside. That is a nice display. You notice, just like a MacBook, you can lift it and it stays perfectly weighted without lifting up when you pull the top up. Okay, so there it is. Big trackpad, just like a MacBook. Thinner bezels than a MacBook. Matte display. Razer, they've moved the power button over here. Okay, some stickers about what's inside there. And yeah, this is just a thin and light gaming beast. I'm really impressed with this. I think this is a great looking machine. Much less fingerprint prone than the previous metal. So yeah, I'm going to get this all set up and do a full review on this. But for now, we'll push it aside. Alright, that concludes the laptop part. If you want to stick around, I'm going to unbox these other peripherals that I received. That concludes the unboxing of the Razer Blade 15 2018 edition that just came out. Stick with me for later videos to see a full review, not just of the Blade itself, but using a Razer Core as well for perhaps higher performance gaming. We'll see. And thanks for sticking around. Catch you next time.